Hi sir, good afternoon po. Sir, sorry, the elephant in the room po is that there are comments po that there will be political dynasty po because Sir Ben is also running po, you're also running, and Senator Raffy po is currently at the Senate. Sir, any comments on the political dynasty?
Well, as long as there's no law yet, then we let the people decide. Kung may batas na, then we stop. Yung political dynasty, matagal na pong usapin mo yan. And I believe, hindi po titigil yan hanggang wala pong batas. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Kaya, ang tao po will decide. For now, dahil wala po tayong batas, then let the people decide. Do we want 1 Tulfo, 2 Tulfos, 3 Tulfos? Do we want them 1 Duterte, 2 Duterte, 3 Dutertes, 1 Marcos, 2 Marcos, 3 Marcos? LGUs, maraming ganyan. So, we let the people decide. Nasa kapangyarihan po ng tao. Kung gusto po nila si Raffy lang, fine. Walang problema. Gusto nilang dalawa, fine. Gusto nilang tatlong sa Senado, nasa tao po yun eh. Because we don't have a law. If there's a law, then that's it. Matitigil po yan.
Sir, just follow-up questions and last for me. Feeling, don't you think, sir, parang push the abuse for some family po, na parang na-hold lang nila yung power within their families, especially in the provinces?
I cannot speak for the provinces, boss, because I'm not running for the national election, local elections in the LGU. I'm running for the national elections. Kaya I cannot speak about abuses po sa LGU. I don't know what's going on down there sa LGU because wala pa po sa amin na tumatakbo sa local government.